The Gulf of Corinth or the Corinthian Gulf is a deep inlet of the Ionian Sea separating the Peloponnese from western mainland Greece. It is bounded in the east by the Isthmus of Corinth, which includes the shipping-designed Corinth Canal, and in the west by the Strait of Rion, which widens into the shorter Gulf of Patras and of which the narrowest point is crossed since 2004 by the Rio-Antirio Bridge. The Gulf is bordered by the large administrative divisions: Aetolia-Acarnania and Phocis in the north, Boeotia in the northeast, Attica in the east, Corinthia in the southeast and south, and Achaea in the southwest. The Gulf is in tectonic movement comparable to movement in parts of Iceland and Turkey, growing by 10 mm per year. In medieval times, the Gulf was known as the Gulf of Lepanto. Shipping routes between the Greek commercial port Piraeus to western Mediterranean and Hemisphere ports pass along this gulf. A further crossing in the form of ferry links Achaea and Nikolaos towards the western part of the Gulf. Length 130 kilometers, width 8.4 to 32 kilometers. Max depth 935 meters. Geology: the Gulf was created by the expansion of a tectonic rift due to the westward movement of the Anatolian plate, and expands by 10 mm per year. The surrounding faults can produce earthquakes up to magnitude 6.8, though they are relatively uncommon. Nature: cetaceans such as fin whales or dolphins are known to come into the Corinthian Gulf occasionally. Gulfs and bays: Acarnanides Gulf east, Corinthian Gulf north, Bay of Attica north, Dombrana north, Strait of Rion west, islands: Trizonia-Acarnanides Islands, Ambalos, Phonias, Prasudi. Bridges: Rio-Antirio Bridge. Cities and towns: the cities and towns that lie next to the Gulf are Naupactus, Sergula Beach, no port, beach; Glyfada, no port; Spilia, no port; Ias Nikolaos, Galaxidi, small port; Achaea, small port; Kira, no port; Ias Vasilios, small port; Porto Germano, east, small port; Beaches: Sartha, east, huge beach; Alipocari, Lautraki, no port; Corinth, Kyato, Xyla-Castro, Derveni, Krathio, no port; Diakopto, beach town; Igeo, Patras, major port; Longos, Selianitica, Acoli beach; Caterodina, South Epirgos. Tributaries: northern Mornos River, southern Valinios River, Salemnos River, Kriki of Arachovitica and Drepano, Salino-Unta River, Voraikos River, river east of Diakopto, Stygas River, Zakolitikos River, Asopus River, Sithas River, Xyla-Castro.